So, everybody asks me, how is it like living in Alaska? I love living in Alaska, but this is winter time. This is the beginning of November, and we are coming from Kenai, Alaska, back up to Wasilla. So we're coming from the house down there, back to the house in Wasilla, and we're in the mountains. Normally we'd be going 65 miles an hour. Right now I'm going 45, and this is driving in Alaska. Shooting a 300 Win Mag, Christensen Arms in Alaska. Hold it tight. You want to shoot it? Did it kick?
Not really.
Do another one. So that was the first time she's ever shot that rifle. She said it didn't really kick. I stepped it off to 100 yards. That first shot was cold. But that's where she hit it. Not bad for never shooting that rifle before. So we just stopped real quick and let Melanie shoot that rifle. What did you think, Melanie?
That was awesome.
How was the recoil?
Not much at all.
Yeah, for a 300 Win Mag, it surprised me how little the recoil it had. So we're driving here, we're going about 60, 65. Got the road to ourselves, just enjoying the trip home.